If you want to record phone calls on Google Pixel 11, the first thing that you can do is you're going to check if you have a built-in call recording option on your phone. So in some countries or regions, it is possible to find a built-in option for recording phone calls. So if you open the phone app on the homepage, you can tap on these three lines in the upper left corner, then you can go to settings, and then here you might be able to find call recording. If you do, then you can turn on call recording here in this place, and we also have the option to enable automatic call recording. So then, if someone calls you and you want to record the call, once you answer it, over here we can go to the call assist and we can turn it on just like that. Of course, the person that is calling us or the person that we have a call with will be informed about the fact that we will record from now on the conversation. So, of course, there will be no surprises. And if you want to stop recording, you can go back to call assist and you can just stop it. And of course, the call recorder also stops if you just stop the call as well. Now, if you want to find the recorder, or the recording actually, you need to go to the phone app, and on the homepage, you should be able to find all your recent calls. So you can tap on the call that you recorded to find the recording. Very simple. Of course, you can play it. You can also delete it. You can share it. And here we have this button that allows us to choose if you want to use the earpiece or the speaker. And keep in mind, I'm not sure if I said this, but this option might not be available in your country or your region. This might be some regional differences, maybe some loss, etc. But there is also a solution for that. Usually you can just go to the Play Store and you can download a call recording app. So over here you can just type call recorder. There we go, and you can find many different apps that, of course, you can use to record conversations, to record your calls. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.